Hello kids, welcome to the lesson Computer Peripherals Part 2. This part is also very interesting and important. So pay attention. What are storage devices? Storage devices are also called secondary memory and are used to store data in digital format. Hard disk drive or HDD. A hard disk or hard drive is used by computers to store information. Hard disks use magnetic recording to store information on rotating circular platters. Floppy disk. A floppy disk is a removable magnetic storage medium. Floppy disks are inserted into a floppy disk drive to allow data to be read or stored. Floppy disks store less data than a CD-ROM disk or pen drive. Compact disk or CD. A compact disk is a type of optical disk. It is flat and round and is used to store digital data. A CD usually holds a maximum of 74 to 80 minutes of sound recording or 650 to 700 megabytes of data in them. Video CD or VCD. A video CD is a CD that contains moving pictures and sound. A VCD has the capacity to hold up to 74 to 80 minutes on 650 MB to 700 MB. CDs respectively of full motion video along with quality stereo sound. Remember that CDs and VCDs are the same. We name it CD or VCD depending on the data we store. Digital Versatile Disc DVD. A DVD is an optical disc capable of storing up to 4.7 GB of data, more than 6 times what a CD can hold. DVDs are often used to store movies at better quality than VHS cassettes. Secure digital card or SD card. A secure digital card is a kind of memory card. Such cards are often used to store images or data in digital cameras. USB flash drive or pen drive. A USB or Universal Serial Bus flash drive is a popular way to store digital information. Now let's move to the fourth peripheral type. Communication devices. What are communication devices? Communication device is a hardware part designed to transmit information or data from one place to another. In other words, allowing one computer to communicate with another. Network Interface Controller, short form NIC, or the network connector. A network interface controller is a computer hardware component that connects a computer to a computer network. Wi-Fi cards. A Wi-Fi card is either an internal or external local area network adapter with a built-in wireless radio antenna. It connects a computer to a network through Wi-Fi signals. Router. A router is a very important network communication device. It is responsible for sending network traffic to its correct destination. Modem. A modem is a device used to convert digital data to analog data in order to transmit it over the telephone network. It will also convert analog data back into digital data when the computer is receiving data from the telephone network. As I said earlier, you have to remember this lesson well. Read your textbook. Take a printout of the student note from the school website and paste it in your writing book. See you soon. Thank you. Stay safe.